Hi guys, this is Mahendra Jana. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm walking you through Azure Portal. We are going to discuss what are the various things you can do from Azure Portal. If you are already familiar with Azure Portal, then you can skip this video. If you are new to Azure, then this video is for you. Without making much delay, let's navigate to the Azure Portal. To navigate to Azure Portal, type portal.azure.com on the browser. This will ask you to log in using your live account. Here I have already logged into my account, so it is already showing my account. So as soon as you are logged in, you will be on the home page of the Azure Portal. Here it is showing some recent services that you have accessed, and very few services it is listing here. But to get to all the services, you can click on more services and everything will be shown here. There are various categories like compute, under which virtual machine, app service, scale set, Kubernetes disk. There are various categories on left side and respective services on the right side. I'll go to all, virtual machine. In the left up corner here you have a hamburger menu. There is option to create a new resource. Go to the home page, dashboard, all services. Azure has provided some default services. These are the favorite services, and you can also add your own favorite services if it is not already there. If you'll see here, you can see virtual machine, and suppose I wanted to add another service to my favorites. You go to all services, search for the service. Suppose I'll go for public IP. If you hover on it, this will allow us to add or remove from the favorites. So I just added to favorite. Let me go and verify that. So it is here added, and we can remove also. So this is how you can add your own services which you are going to use very frequently. You can add it here. Apart from that, yeah, you can go to all resources. So whatever resources you have created under your subscription, it will show here. You can go to filter also. If you have multiple Azure subscription, you can select your specific Azure subscription. If you have a different resource group, you can filter using resource group, types of the resource, which location you have provisioned. So you can add different filters also. In the top there is a global search. Using this search you can search any services like a virtual machine. So using this you can search the services, as well as if you have already created any resource, it will also list if the search criteria matches. So in general you can search any services from Azure, or if you have already created any resource, that also you can search it from here. Next to this there is a cloud shell. When you have to provision a lot of resources, sometimes you will use script. In this case we can use bash or PowerShell script. First time you have to log into this cloud shell. In backend it will create one storage. So let me create one storage. It is creating a storage account. It is creating the cloud shell for the first time. So by now cloud shell is ready. So here you can use either PowerShell command or bash command. Here there is a bell icon. So whatever activities you will be doing, it will show the status of the activity. Suppose if in case I'll create one resource group, I'll go and create one resource group. While creating any resource, you have to provide the subscription, and here I'm giving the resource group name. Resource group basically a container, a folder which will basically keep all those resources that we are going to create, and we have to provide region, which region you wanted to create your resource. Let me go ahead and create it. It is shown under this bell icon. Any resource also that you can tag to the dashboard. Suppose I want to tag this particular resource to my dashboard. I need to just simply click it into the dashboard, and this will be available on my dashboard. So this notification icon shows you whatever activities you are doing on the Azure portal. You will be getting its notification in this notification tab. Then here is some settings where you can change the theme, what is the default view, and here is the option whether you need to come to your home or dashboard as soon as you are logging in or signing in. And there are different themes: blue theme, black theme, light theme. Let me select the default one. You can customize your portal look and feel here. If you have any issue with the Azure portal or any resource, if you want to take some help from Microsoft support, you can come and click on help, create a new support request. So here you have a feedback button. If you want to provide some feedback, you can provide it here. Here this will basically, it is showing the directory, user account. You can click here and sign out here. Other than that, you have a dashboard. The dashboard is basically if you want to configure a dashboard to show some resource and its health, you can see it here. You can edit your dashboard and resize. You can basically customize the dashboard. You can download your dashboard and even share it. Here under the hamburger menu, you are getting this create resource, and there is a create resource on the home page itself. Both are same. So this is the generic create button where you can filter or search for your service, and you can proceed to create the resource. If you have multiple subscriptions, you can change the subscription here. Because this login has only single subscription, I'm not getting that option. Otherwise, with a drop down, it will show multiple subscriptions where you can switch between those directories. So any service, when you will click it, it will show you that particular service instances. So if you have already created some service, some of that service, it will list it here, and here also you can create it. This video we went through various Azure portal features, and in my next video I'll be telling you how you can create your first Azure VM. This was all about this particular video, and thanks for watching the video till the end. Please do subscribe my channel if you have not done already, and don't forget to tap on the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my future video. Please do share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefited. I will see you all in my next video. Have a great day and thank you.